My name is Mr. Robinson, and this is Mr. Robinson's Neighborhood. Today what we're going to talk about partial product multiplication. Believe it or not, what actually got me into teaching was a friend of mine. Their son was doing a math problem. He was doing a multiplication problem, and he was doing what they call the new math. And I'm like, no, that's not, how does this even work? Well, once we got into it, and I started recognizing that, they're teaching these kids on a contextual level. That had me so curious that I started researching about teaching. I said, I'm going to get into teaching. That is how I actually got into teaching. So I'm going to teach you today how to do multiplication problems using the partial product method. Let's say, for example, if we're going to multiply 376 times 39. Now, we know the traditional method where we line the numbers up and we cross. This way, in teaching the partial product way, what the student learns is the true value of each digit. So we're going to expand out 376, which is just going to be 300 plus 70 plus 6. We're going to draw a box underneath the digits. And then I'm going to expand out 39 on the other side of the box. The reason I like doing it this method, instead of somebody saying 9 times 7, we know that we're really going to do 9 times 70 because it expands out the true value of each digit. Anywhere I have a plus sign, I'm going to draw a line. Now, what I teach my kids is that this digit here, I'm going to push this digit, I'm going to push 300, I'm going to push the value of 300 down to every box underneath it. And I'm going to repeat that with the other digits. Now, I'm going to push the 39, the 30 plus the 9, I'm going to push that to every box in front. And then I'm just going to multiply the digits inside of the box. So the great thing about this is that only thing I have to multiply are the first two numbers. 3 times 3 is 9 with 2 zeros. 7 times 3 is 21. I add 1 0. 6 times 3 is 18 with 1 0. 3 times 9 is 27. Add 2 zeros. 9 times 7 is 63 with 1 0. And 6 times 9 is 54. Oops. And once I get here, all I have to do now is just add up all the digits. So it's going to be 900 plus 210 and I always tell my kids to mark out the numbers once they add them, plus 180. Plus 2,700. Plus 630. And then the last was plus 54. And I always tell my kids, it doesn't matter where you add it up as long as you know where you're going. So it's going 3520 plus 54. This is scrap paper, it's supposed to be messy. So now I know that 376 times 39 equals 3,574. It's kind of messy, but you get the gist. So guys, This is just a quick show of how to use partial products to get the kid to have a true understanding of the context of numbers. You guys have a great day.